Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my food cart. We are baking sweet palmiers today, which is called Bakar honey in Urdu language. We will use puff pastry dough to make these beauties. The recipe of puff pastry dough is already uploaded on my YouTube channel, my food cart. You can use puff pastry dough which is available in market. This is 245 grams of puff pastry dough. Before starting the process of making palmiers, let me tell you what else we need to make them. This is a mixture of 4 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. You can use cardamom powder instead of cinnamon powder if you like. We also need some water to make our dough a little bit wet. Use pizza cutter to make 18 small portions in rectangle shape. Then make them slightly wet. Now spread mixture of sugar and cinnamon powder on them. Then use your fingertips to make a little bit even them. Take one piece and roll it to make sugar coated side stay inside and plain side of the dough should be on outside. Now make it slightly wet again and press it in sugar cinnamon mixture from both sides. Then twist it from the center to make a bow. I will make one more bow in front of you so it will be easy for you to understand it. Take one piece and roll sugar coated part to inside. Then make wet outside. And press both sides of it in sugar mixture. Now twist it from center to make a bow like this. We can make 18 bows with this dough, and to bake them set a piece of parchment paper on a baking tray, then arrange them on it. Bake them at 440 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, and you don't need to preheat the oven. Alhamdulillah, they are baked beautifully. Our house is full of aroma. Let's arrange them in a serving plate, then enjoy them together with Bismillah.